Celestial bodies are objects in space such as the sun, moon, planets, and stars. They form a part of the vast universe we live in. Classification of celestial bodies. Number 1, stars. Number 2, planets. Number 3, satellites. Number 4, comets. Number 5, asteroids. Number 6, meteors and meteorites. And number 7, galaxies. Stars. They are giant balls of hot gases that can produce their own light. Stars give out energy by converting hydrogen gas into helium in their cores. Stars are gigantic in size and have an immense gravitational attraction. Planets. They move in a fixed orbits around the Sun. 8 planets and the Sun at the center together make the solar system. So let's study about these 8 planets in detail one by one. Sun. The Sun is the star at the center of the solar system. It is a hot ball of gases that gives off great amount of energy. It is the closest star to Earth. It's the source of all the heat and light on Earth. Mercury. Number 1. It is the closest planet to the Sun. Number 2. It is the second hottest planet in the solar system. Number 3. It is the smallest planet in the solar system. Number 4. A day on Mercury lasts 59 Earth days. Number 5. A year on Mercury lasts 88 Earth days. Number 6. Mercury does not have any moons. Number 7. Mercury is a rocky or a terrestrial planet. Venus. Number 1. It is the second closest planet to the Sun. Number 2. It is the hottest planet in the solar system. Number 3. Venus rotates in a clockwise direction. Number 4. A day on Venus lasts 243 Earth days. Number 5. A year on Venus lasts 225 Earth days. Number 6. Venus does not have any moons. Number 7. Venus is a terrestrial planet. Number 8. Venus has a thick atmosphere with yellowish clouds. Mars. Number 1. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun. Number 2. It is called a red planet because its surface contains iron. Number 3. It is the second smallest planet. Number 4. A day on Mars lasts 24.6 hours. Number 5. A year on Mars lasts 687 Earth days. Number 6. Mars have 2 moons. Number 7. It is a terrestrial planet. Number 8. Mars has a thin atmosphere comprised of carbon dioxide, nitrogen, and argon gas. And number 9. Mars has the highest mountain in our solar system called Olympus Mons. Jupiter. Number 1. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun. Number 2. It is the biggest planet in our solar system. Number 3. Jupiter is a gas giant mostly made of hydrogen and helium. Number 4. A day on Jupiter lasts for 10 hours. Number 5. A year on Jupiter is the same as 11.8 Earth years. Number 6. Jupiter have 80 moons. Number 7. It has very thick atmosphere. Number 8. Jupiter has rings, but they are hard to see. Saturn. Number 1. It is the sixth planet from the Sun. Number 2. Saturn is a gas giant like Jupiter. Number 3. A day on Saturn lasts 10.7 hours. Number 4. A year on Saturn lasts for 29 Earth years. Number 5. Saturn have 83 moons. Number 6. Saturn has a thick atmosphere. Number 7. Saturn has 7 rings made up of ice, dust and rocks. Uranus. Number 1. It is the seventh planet from the Sun. Number 2. It is an ice giant. Number 3. A day on Uranus lasts 17 hours 14 minutes. Number 4. A year on Uranus is same as 84 years on Earth. Number 5. Uranus have 27 moons. Number 6. Uranus has thick atmosphere made of helium, hydrogen and methane. Number 7. Only planet that spin sideways. Number 8. Uranus is surrounded by a set of 13 rings which are very faint to see. Neptune. Number 1. Neptune is the eighth or the last planet from the Sun. Number 2. It is an ice giant made up of mainly water, methane and ammonia. Number 3. Neptune has a dark, cold and windy atmosphere made of hydrogen, helium and methane. Number 4. A day on Neptune lasts 16 hours. Number 5. A year on Neptune lasts 165 Earth years. Number 6. Neptune have 14 moons. Number 7. The blue color of Neptune is due to methane gas. Number 8. Neptune have 6 rings but are hard to see. Satellites. They are objects that revolve around planets. These may be natural or man-made. Moon is a natural satellite of the Earth and revolves around it due to Earth's gravitational pull. Comet. Objects made of dust, ice and rock that orbits the Sun. They have long streaming tails. These ancient objects are leftovers from the formation of the solar system 4.6 billion years ago. Asteroid, also known as planetoid, are small rocky bodies that orbit the Sun, most of them found between Mars and Jupiter, known as the asteroid belt. Meteor and meteorites. Meteorites are space rocks that travel through space. If they enter a planet's atmosphere and burn up They are seen as meteors, also known as shooting stars. Large pieces of meteor crash into a planet's surface and create a crater. Such objects are known as meteorites. Galaxies, large groups of stars, gas, dust, and their solar system held together by gravity is known as galaxies. Our solar system is present in the Milky Way galaxy. When you look up in the sky, you are seeing our stars in the Milky Way.